Hello, I'm Anton. Today is the 6th day of my daily crypto installments. As usual, I bought 20,000 Bitcoin, 20,000 Ethereum, and 10,000 XRP. Ah, yes, I forgot about the video recording of me buying crypto. If you want to appear, please do. Well, here's a recording of my crypto purchase on the 6th day, January 16th, 2025. I still had 50,000 rupiah in my balance, so I had to top up again for the next day's purchase. Okay, while I'm showing you the recording, I want to talk about one of the crypto coins. Today we're discussing Ethereum again. This time, why is Ethereum important? Ethereum isn't just a digital coin. Ethereum has its own network, which is the foundation for much of what's happening in the crypto world today. On the Ethereum network, people can create bankless financial applications called DeFi, can also create NFTs, can even build games and digital voting systems. All of this runs on Ethereum through smart contracts. And to do this, they must use ETH to pay transaction fees. This is called a gas fee. So, ETH is like the fuel that powers all applications on the Ethereum network. That's why Ethereum is so important. It's not just for storing value, but also for creating and implementing various innovations. I personally haven't tried building an app or buying NFTs, but understanding little by little like this makes me even more enthusiastic about learning. So those who are also enthusiastic about learning can like this video. If you're still confused about crypto and ultimately discouraged, please write in the comments. For those who are enthusiastic, and especially those who aren't, you might want to watch the next video. So you don't miss out, please subscribe first. Now let's take a look at my transaction history. Is it complete? Oh, so he's still struggling to buy XRP. Let's wait a bit until he finishes, shall we? We'll discuss XRP again. Tomorrow, I'm deliberately rotating the discussion on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP every day so we don't get bored. So, we're not just buying in installments, but we're learning in installments as well. Let's learn in installments and learn together. See you in the next video.